All right, what's going on, Tycoons? Super excited for today's video. We're going to be looking at Tilray, okay? And Tilray had earnings today before market opened. All right, and that caused it to rally really, really hard, okay? So let's look at the lows, okay, right before earnings, and then pre-market, it ran up 16%, over 16% at highs, fell down a little bit, and opened up 12% at a 12% rally, okay? And this one was definitely on our watch list. We saw it running pre-market. We wanted to see what it would do. And so we went ahead and, we basically had this one on our watch list. Okay. So we're looking at the 5-minute chart right now. We're using my 5-minute day trading strategy. Okay. With the EMAs. And you guys can, I have a tutorial on that video, how to use the EMAs and set them up on the top right-hand corner of this video. But basically this little arrow right here was my entry. And I called out the entry too, okay, in the options trading tycoons Discord. I got the order filled at 9:36, around 9:36, and then if you take a look here, I'll show you guys the options trading tycoons Discord real quick, okay, and you can look at the small cap call outs, okay, and you can see today at today at 9:37. Okay, I bought the Tilray January 21st call, 7.5 calls at 0.38. Okay, so they were $38 a contract. And then as you can see, just 3 minutes later, I sold half of it at 50%. And then 14 minutes later, I was stopped out at 77 cents a contract. So that was almost a double up right there. If not more. What's 38 times 2? 74. So yeah, so that's like 100% right there. So really, really good job there. Quick 15-minute day trade. That's what we like to do. That's what we do in the options trading tycoons Discord. And you guys, as you guys can see, you'll gain access to all of the call outs, our entries and exits. Okay. So what I have pulled up here, okay, actually is I'm going to show you guys the options, the value of those options. Okay. So this is the options contract pulled up, the January 21st, 7.5 call. And this is market open right here, this candlestick. Okay. So as you can see, the value went up, right? Came back down. Okay. And then at 9:36 is this candlestick is when I entered. Okay. And we were able to ride this nice ride all the way up. Okay. And it rallied real hard, real quick, a total of 132%. Right. Now, of course, I'm not a perfect trader. I didn't sell at the high. But what I noticed was that it ran up massively, really, really quick. And a lot of times when things do that, they pull back. So I set a trailing stop loss and I got stopped out at 77, right around here. Okay. So, from 83 to 77, that's, $6 change, right, in the contract. So not too bad of an entry and an exit here. Okay, guys. So that's what you'll get with the Options Trading Tycoons Discord. If you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. It really helps the YouTube channel out. And stay tuned. Okay, I'll be dropping videos, updates on stocks, crypto, news, tutorial strategies, everything like that. All right. So don't forget to subscribe. Okay. If you want to join the Options Trading Tycoons Discord, the link to join is in the description below. Okay.